Hi, Imran from Car Sound Security in East London. We've just finished installing a StarLine S96 on a white Range Rover Vogue 2016. So let me just go through the app and how it works basically first one, then we'll get Richard to just trigger it. So it's connected to your phone. You've got tracking, you can lock, unlock the vehicle, you have anti-hijack. You have multiple sensors that are built into the alarm system, like tilt, shock and motion, which the customer can basically independently adjust the sensitivity as well. You get 2 tags with it. So Richard's got the keys for the Range Rover. What I'm going to get him to do, imagine someone's unlocked the vehicle or cloned it or something like that, and they try to start the vehicle. So he's just unlocked it. Alarm's gone off. You see it on my thing going off as well, and it's calling me. So if I pick that call up and put it on speakerphone,
door open, enter command code or dial 0 to listen.
so there you go, you can hear it calling right now. He's going to try to start the vehicle as well. Won't start because the tag's not present. So if Richard just goes and grabs the tag from the over there, and it's phoning me again to say let's see what it says now.
Ignition is on.
So it's telling me that someone's tried to attempt to start the vehicle as well by hitting the ignition. So he's just coming right, he's just come with the tag. You can see it's just deactivated itself. So if he puts his foot on the brake now and starts it, the vehicle will start as normal, as so. This system is very, very good. The Range Rover next to this Vogue, the Sport, is also had this S96 done. We're doing absolutely huge amounts of these alarm systems, real premium top security. It even tells you, you can see the exhaust fumes coming out of there, that the vehicle is on. It will auto lock once you basically turn the car off and walk away with the tags. If you're interested in getting this done to protect your vehicle from high-tech criminals, then get in contact with us. Our details are follow after this video. Thanks for watching.